guys, I have some 3-piece wheels that I bought for my second gen Legacy here that we're going to be unboxing. They're SSR SP1s, 17x8 plus 37 offs. It's my first ever set of 3-piece wheels ever. So let's get to open. Pretty excited about how these are going to look. This is my first ever set, like I said. They are used, but I got a pretty good deal on them. Let's see if I can open it here. It's gonna be my first look as well. I use a proxy service to get these. They did a really good job packaging these. See if I can just do this real quick. Super hard to open with one hand. Holy shit, these are sick. So these are real. I don't know if you can see that. SP1, 17x8 plus 37, so obviously 5x100. Made in Japan. Let's see what it looks like. Just kind of locked up here. Some bubble wrap so they're not just lying on the floor here. Ugh. Wow, that's gonna be sick. They're honestly not too heavy either. I was kind of worried about that. But no, pretty light. Currently I have RPF 1s on it that are 17x9 plus 45, which is super aggressive, and I rub a lot. So I figured going with a little bit of a weave, like thinner width and less of an offset, I guess. So it should fit like still fantastic, but yeah, pretty excited. Okay, I have 2 of the wheels out of the box. I still have a whole other box, so I'm going to go ahead and get these out too. And I'll go ahead and catch you guys up once they're all out. Okay, all 4 wheels are out of the packaging. They're in pretty good shape. There's some like just kind of messed up parts around just some curb rash, I guess, on one of them. One of them's missing a valve stem, but doesn't seem to need to be resealed or anything. Looks like it was freshly redone not too long ago, which is a huge plus. God, I can't get over how good these look. Sheesh. I figured I'd just kind of put them in front of the wheels for right now to get a kind of look. I'm not gonna test fit them right now. Holy shit. These are sick as fuck. These are so sick. Oh my god. Jeez.
Honestly, I don't have any words for this. These look so good. Obviously they don't have a tire on it, but I mean, I am beyond excited for this. I mean, it's quite literally like perfect spec. Oh my god. I mean, just holy shit. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I hope you guys are excited as much as I am, because, oh my god. And this fitment just couldn't get any better. These are just absolutely perfect. I'll get tires of these here soon, because, I mean, damn. Okay, well, that concludes this video. Next video, I'll slap some tires on it and make a short vid just updating everything and all that. Thanks for watching. Bye.